Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to show you a feature that's an MPC that many of y'all don't use, and y'all should. It'll be good for you guys that like to create samples, and it help you protect yourself from copyright claims and royalty splits and all that. And that is called project notes. So it's 5N here down at the bottom here. So you have it'll be right here and project notes. So as you can see here, you have title, artist, original artist, album, year, genre, copyright, blah, 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 and you can add some additional notes here. So say this could be Jay-Z, and the sample you're using is from Manhattans. The album to be announced, the year you're making it, 2023 or whatever year. The genre, R&B, right? Copyright, ASCAP, BMI, CSAC, whatever. And then right here, you can go down here and discuss, what you did to it, your EQing or whatever else like that. I did the drums and sample. This guy played the bass, etc. The split is 50, 25, 25. The other 25 going to the keyboardist or whatever. But this is definitely a feature that is overlooked in MPC. And you guys that like to make loops and samples or whatever, or just working, this is a great feature. This will protect you. Definitely. All right, peace.